Argentina, Wednesday, January 1, 2025.
Bueno, pues las fuertes tormentas ocasionó esto. Ahora ya está uno solamente más.
Dale. No, dale. ¿Qué estás viendo el chabón? Está saliendo burbuja. No.
A powerful storm has caused serious damage in Quilmes, Buenos Aires. Hail and strong winds caused damage to properties located on 394th Street and Intendente Olivieri on Wednesday, January 1, 2024. At around 5:30 p.m. local time, power outages were reported in various areas of AMBA, which estimated a strong storm accompanied by hail, which fell for more than 5 minutes without stopping.
Un maíz que te llegaba a la cabeza, tanto que nosotros.
Strong winds were also reported in Florencio Varela, causing severe damage to a Chinese supermarket, located on Thévenet and Gorriti streets. The entire roof of the building was torn off and left on the sidewalk. In addition to the storm's damage in Quelmes and Florencio Varela, the storm also caused flooding in the city of Pinamar, in the province of Buenos Aires. The storm caused extensive flooding, leaving some vehicles stranded and even nearly buried. The year started off complicated for several sectors of the country, as the storm caused significant damage in several areas, affecting hundreds of families, and thousands of tourists who came for vacation.
Listo para el 2025. Fue un año tan hijo de puta que no se faltaba 1 hora y media para que...
¿Te acordás lo que era este año? No. Increíble.
Pues llovió demasiado acá en Pinamar.